In the previous PPT, we have gone through many slides of the laws, Boolean laws. Now we are going to continue with that. In this, we will continue with the De Morgan's law. Okay. Now the law is De Morgan's theorem. I suppose in mathematics you all have gone through with this law. So it will be easy for you all to understand, those who have taken maths. Now what is this theorem means? This theorem actually states that the complement of sum of the variables is same as the product of the complements of the variables and vice versa. In other words, students, there are two theorems for the De Morgan's law, first and second. Okay, in the first theorem we will see that the theorem is very easy to understand. Break the bar and change the sign. See, if we remove the complement from here, then the sign is changed. Break the bar and change the sign. We have to first break the bar of not and then change the sign. Like that in the second theorem also. Just the sign has been changed. Now break the bar and change the sign. Now we are going to prove it with first theorem by the algebraic method. We generally prove all the laws with the help of algebraic method and the truth table. See, but the first we are going to prove with the help of algebraic method, the first law, as we all know that the sum of variables and its complement is 1, but the product is always 0. According to this, the theorem states that A naught dot B naught complement will be A plus B. To prove, we must satisfy that A plus B, A naught dot B naught will be 0, and where there is plus sign, then it will be 1. So we have to prove it all. Now see, consider the first case. In the first case, how we are going to see, students, please pay attention towards here, because this is how you are going to solve in the board. These are the tools, how the algebraic method, these two has been solved. Okay, so pay attention in each and every case how we are going to solve it. See, from the left hand side we all generally solve A plus B and A naught dot B naught. Then we have, how we have done is, see, this is the algebraic method. I know that you all have must gone with this in your mathematics, and see at the lastly how it has been proved. Students, one thing more I have to tell you all, that you all have to write what you are going to do in this algebraic method. Like that, what law you are going to write. See it like that. Here it is written A dot A naught is equal to 0 and B dot B naught is equal to 0. Okay. In the second case also has been proved. In the first we have proved that it is 0. In the second case we have to prove 1. I have previously told you all that all the laws has reverse of it. Okay, one is, if one is A, then second will be A naught. So one is 0, then second is 1. In this, see how we all have solved it. Okay, in this method, if you have gone through, if you have revised your laws, then you have seen that it is done with the help of distributive law. Okay, see, it is written here also. And in the second, what the law you have used, you all have to write here. So lastly it has been proved that A plus B naught is equal to A naught dot B naught. Okay. Now see how, students, how this theorem has been proved with the help of truth table. Generally in this truth table is of two variables. See, A and B, two variables we have used. First we have solved A plus B, then A plus B naught, then A naught, B naught, and A naught dot B naught has been solved, and here equality has been proved that the law is true. Now with the help of second theorem, see how second theorem has the way is the same. You have to write that like that only, how it has been proved. Okay, it is the reverse of first theorem. So go through it, and I hope that you all will write in your class registers very clearly this. Whenever the school is going to open, I'll check each and every registers. Okay. Now, next, see, in this also the theorem has been proved. See, by the using truth table. See, student, in the board you all have to prove by using the truth table and algebraic method, but it is written that how you are going to prove it. But when there is a description of theorem, what is De Morgan's theorem, or what is distributive law, or what is associative law, then you all have to write both the things. You have to prove with the help of truth table and with the help of algebraic method. So go with this theorem very, and generally De Morgan's theorem is asked in your book, okay, frequently. So go it with very attentively. Now, next is our principle of duality. It is very important what is principle of duality. So in this direct question is asked in your board. Question is direct given what is duality and how does it work. See, what is duality? Duality is converted into another form of by replacing each plus with the dot sign. Means each plus is replaced with the dot sign. Means we can say in other words, 0 will become 1 and 1 will become 0. But pay attention towards here that no complement changes is going to be there. Okay, it is the expression so obtained is known as dual of the given Boolean expression, and the process of conversion is termed as principle of duality. See what the steps you are going to have to follow. First, write the given relation. Now, let the variables be in their original form. As I have told you previously, original form means their complement are not going to be disturbed. They are going to be same. Convert each plus sign into dot, each dot into plus sign, each 1 will be converted into 0, and each 0 will be converted into 1. It is very easy to understand and very interesting to work on this. See how we are going to do this. A plus 0 will be A, and the dual of form A dot 1 will also be A. So what will be the duality? The variable will be same. The sign will change. Plus will become dot and 0 will become 1. So if A plus 0, what will be the answer? A. But the dual of it will be A dot 1. Means if A will be multiplied with 1, it will be 1. Okay, so this is your duality. See here, 4 more examples are given. So, go through it with very much attentively and write down it in your class registers. Okay, see how it works. Go through each and example very seriously. See students, here some expressions are given and how you are going to change its dual. So first expression is there. Students, this here it is written directly like this only it comes in the board. So pay attention towards here. A plus AB in the bracket, it is C plus A not D. So the variables will be same. A will become A dot, okay, and A dot B will become A plus B plus within bracket C dot A plus D. Okay, so you all have to change, put the brackets according to this. See here the example has been given or it has been done. Here all the 5 examples are here. Okay, now go it and understand it, and if there is any problem you can contact me my personal WhatsApp number. I am going to send students PDF of this, okay, this PPT. So go it very thoroughly. You all are in class 11. This is the syllabus of class 12. I had told you that approximately 40 marks out of 70 is from your Boolean possibilities. All the things you all have to solve with the help of Boolean algebra. So pay attention towards this.